Guys, I'm on my way to the airport. I'm going Paris today, and hopefully I can test out the Vision Pro in the store. I don't know if it's actually available in the store, but hopefully it's available. That's one of the things I want to go and see. So this will be like a mini vlog, and yeah, just tell you how my trip was, testing out the Vision Pro and all that stuff, which will be included in the video. So I'm running to the station now, and I shall catch you guys next when I'm in Paris. Bruh, what a day, man. I can't believe I'm still in London. My god, I just got back to the airport. Apparently, I forgot my ID back home. So I have to take it the next train straight to, what's it called? Leicester. But I am back and I am going to I had to reschedule my flight as well. Jesus. Oh, yeah. I'm in now, so let me go and rest a bit and start boarding. But yeah, I'm tired. What a day, man. Bruh, I'm so tired, man. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am in Paris. Bonjour, repping Manchester City in France as per best team in the world. No need to brag. And yeah, I was prior to coming here, I searched up the Apple Pro, the Apple Vision Pro, to see if I could go in store to go try it on. But apparently, you need to book in an appointment, and you're not even certain that you might get the appointment. Probably I'll just do a walk-in rather than go for a booking, but I would try and see if I can just get it tested on and see how it is. Apparently, just in this store. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But yeah, most time is like 9 a.m. and I want to go get breakfast. So there's a bucket of chicken there. Finish that, but yeah, I'm so tired. It's been a long evening, so it has been a long evening. So yeah, hope you guys are doing good. Sorry I haven't posted out something in a long while, but while on this trip as well, I'll just show you guys like around the street where I'm staying and how it is, overview of everywhere. It's a really nice place. I'm going to surely give them a good review at the end of my stay here, and it's a very short stay, just for the weekend. So yeah, so let me quickly show you guys my view from the building. So this is my view. I wish I could see the Eiffel Tower from here, but it's a bit far. But with the bus, it's quick. So this is the hotel as well. That's cool paintings. It's really nice. Yeah, not bad at all. This is the bedroom. It's not bad. I like the way they did the setting though, like, oh, the toilet is a bit small. Yeah, it's quite small. And the exits. So yeah, I'll be catching you guys soon, and let me just go change quickly, get dressed, and see what I have to do today. So in a bit.
Paris Saint-Germain
Live from Paris Saint-Germain.
going to see Kylian Mbappé.
Where Paris Saint-Germain Stadium. Going ultra wide on this. I'm going to go and grab something to eat, and hopefully it's good because I'm starving. Go. Yep. I'm going to the metro now, so let's see what's up.
Et cette tablette-là, c'est pas parce que je peux pas la retourner à l'envers.
Ah ouais, il ça.
Elle est fixe. Je l'ai, celle-là, je l'ai achetée. Il faut une coque comme celle-là. Là.
Apparently, there's no Vision Pro in the Apple Store. The search continues for getting a Vision Pro in the Apple Store. Because this sad. Off to the Louvre Museum. I believe hopefully I'm going the right way. Bruh. It's raining 247 in this city. Jesus Christ. You know, say I be get hands for this design. Now. I get baseline hands for this design. Second time coming to the museum. Yeah, first of all, I must say this city is raining cat and dogs. It's like the time they came, they knew that Lumi is coming on. Let's make sure that the rain he has seen in London is not enough. This one is going to be times 2, but it has been raining throughout from like mid-afternoon. It was raining back to back. And I'm like, oh dear, I don't want to get sick. And yeah, it's been very cold as well, windy. It's been very windy. But yeah, I was in the Parc des France, Paris Saint-Germain Stadium yesterday. You feel the accent is giving. I know. Well, I was in the PSG Stadium yesterday. It was a very fantastic place. A lot of things going into that stadium, and yeah, it's filled. Dressing room, everything was great. It was a stadium tour, so I really enjoyed seeing a lot of things, and it was fantastic overall. So I didn't get to see Kylian though, but maybe he was scared to see me. did the stadium tour, went around for a bit, got food, and it wasn't bad. Good Japanese food. Yeah, I just wanted to come back inside because I couldn't stand that wind. I was almost grateful to be able to come and visit this amazing city. And still haven't gotten a chance to review the Vision Pro. One of my main objectives here is to view the Vision Pro, so hopefully I can view the Vision Pro. So if I can't get the chance to view the Apple Vision Pro here, I would have to go back to my side and hopefully I can get it. But yeah, so yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Make sure you guys stay safe. Catch you in a bit.